It's really good when you're having conversations with sales agents about and negotiating with them about the purchase of a home is asking open-ended questions to find out what's going on. Adopting a naive demeanor can be a clever negotiating tactic. Gee, I tell you what, I've not actually bought a home before. Do you mind giving me a bit of help? Because I'm really serious about this. Do you mind giving me some help? No, that it can work wonders. Appearing innocent and unaware can work to your advantage. Here are some questions you can pose from that perspective. Talk slow and pause a lot. Remain thoughtful and ask questions like these. Why is that important? Could you explain that in more detail, please? Ah, okay. So, how would the seller blah blah? Mm. So, what other things are important to the seller? What else do you think I should know? Oh, really? Okay. So, how did the seller come to that decision? Oh, is that really the best they can do? Oh. What if I could persuade my partner to maybe go half of what the seller's asking for? I could try. Do you want me to try? Hmm. If I can do that, okay, if I can do that, well, will the seller be able to do that? I can do this. Can they do that? Is that okay? Before I answer that, can you please tell me why you asked that question? I don't know. I don't know. I'm new to this. You're the expert. So you're going to have to help me understand this. Hmm. Hmm. I don't know if I could actually do that. Would it work if we did this instead? So ask these general questions and follow up by asking more probing questions. Doing so can help you uncover valuable insights about the seller's situation. Skilled negotiators seek to understand. They understand the other party's position, and by understanding the other party's position, it builds trust and it covers a lot of ground. So, open ended questions.